Niels, I think I just want to maybe ask you, what is Advisor for the Nations, Kingdom Advisor? What does it mean to you?
Mm. Yeah, to truly answer the question, I must go back to 2013. Myself and Willem, before we started RIG, we went to Atlanta to do some research in Ron Blue and Company, and go through what we want to do in the business. And one of the organizations that Willem took me to was Kingdom Advisors. So what was the first for me. They explained to us what they do, and myself and Willem actually signed up for Kingdom Advisors there. Due to life happening, neither myself or Willem ever completed the core curriculum, and yeah, so it was quite a journey to get to the point where we are now. We had the privilege, myself and you, with a number of people from basically all over the
Yeah.
world, to be led by Lorne from Kingdom Advisors Canada to do the core curriculum this year in a 20-week period, which was to say it's a life-changing experience may sound cliche, but it is. It was a very personal experience for me, and I think for everybody
Yeah.
that did the course as well. Just in the way that you think about wealth and money and what it means, and how you advise clients on that. It was such a journey to go through and experience how the Bible guides you through all of these things, and how much is said in the Bible about stewardship and money, and how that as a Christian you must treat money in your life. So for me, Kingdom Advisors, and then which is basically the sister organization of Advisors for the Nation that we currently busy growing in South Africa, is such a special place to not only grow your faith, but also grow your professional, the way that you do business, and to get those two integrated, so your work life and your faith life, there's no distinction between the two. So yes, over the past year, we've all completed the core curriculum. We went through the process. We had the amazing conference in Hippo Lakes in September, that basically brought everything together. And I think it's one of those things that changes one in such a fundamental way that you're never the same.
Yeah.
In the sport, they have the saying now, it's not DNA, it's RSA, that type of thing. And I think what we went through this year changed my DNA, the way that I think. It's your default changed. So I want to invite everybody that's listening to this to go to the Kingdom Advisors website. We'll share the link to that. Look at the material there, and you'll see the stuff starts to talk to you. To join our study groups, because that's basically where we get together in a community and talk about these things, and learn from Kingdom Advisors in the US, and from each other. And get to a place where you make this part of who you are. Hopefully we get people to complete the core curriculum as well, because we need to grow the community, and you need to go through that process. I think the possibility is there that KA in Canada will again lead a group of people next year to go through the core curriculum. We were nearly 10 people this year, and I think we can go up to 20, and that's a very special thing. And that's the one thing that stood out for me, doing the core curriculum. So we had Lorne from Canada, we had Vincent from Canada doing it with us, we had some people from the UK that joined us, and the rest was all scattered all over South Africa. But the issues are the same. Wherever you are, the issues are the same. And as soon as you realize that there's people out there that you can talk to that feel the same way, that has the same conviction as you have, that battle the same issues that you have, and talking to them and becoming part of that community is so important. So yeah, it was a experience that hopefully we can invite a lot of people into in the next few years. So yeah, that's my journey.
No, cool. Thanks,
Okay,
Niels.
all right, thank you.